If you've been working in Canva and you say are working on a document, whether it's your manuscript, whether it's a new book format, a document for clients, you want to save this as a PDF, you can do it quite easily and have a good quality, especially if you want it for printing. So let's take a look how. So I'm in a Canva document and it's part of my 50 tips. So this one I give away to people when they sign up to my IT newsletter. So I want it to be pretty good quality. So I click on share and always change the name up at the top before you do this. And that way it will save it with that name and not some generic name. Then in share, you choose download. And in file type, if it says PDF, great. Sometimes it says PNG, so you change it to PDF. And now you have this preset of digital or print. Now, if it is just going to be for a download, then, and people are just going to look at it on the screen, digital can be fine. But if it's a manuscript, so if it's for either low, medium, or high content books, you can go into print and change the color profile. So RGB, but then you also have CMYK, but you can see by the little crown on it that you do need a paid subscription to Canva to be able to use that one. And then you have download separate pages as separate files. I don't want that option. I want it as one file. But this is a great feature if you have, say, a lot of pages, they're individual, you've just copied them and edited them. You can have them saved as different documents. This one I just want as one. And again, this is a premium feature. Select pages, all, this page, or custom. Custom, you can then choose the different pages or range. And then once you've chosen it, you do have some advanced options here. So you can have crop marks, flatten PDF, include notes, and match the reading order. So if I click on or pause on the I at the end, it just comes up with more information. So as they change this, so you say download the, save the settings. So as they add different features, you can always pause on these little eyes information icons to get more information. To turn them on, you just click, and to turn them off, you just click again. Then you click on download and it will download it using the name you've called it at the top. If you found this video useful, helpful, interesting, then please do click on that thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more of my videos, do subscribe to the channel. There should be a playlist attached to this, so the next video should be in the writers playlist, so tools that might be useful to writers. Take care. Bye for now.